Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Adil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. In today's video, I'm walking you around an Alfa 1600 Spider that we've upgraded with a real retro feel new sound system. If you're new to our channel, haven't seen us before, hit that subscribe button below. Otherwise, let's go. So the customer has actually supplied all of our parts for the installation and we've just carried out the installation for him. We've actually done a couple of other cars for him and we're really proud to be working on a lovely example of this car. Obviously, if you know this car, if you own one of these, you'll know that it's lacking a few bits and pieces, mostly in terms of functionality with your phone, but also actual sound output from the actual system. What we've actually managed to do is actually install his own classic converted radio, which looks phenomenal inside the vehicle. However, it's got loads more functionality. What we've also done is upgraded some actual speakers, added in some 4-inch drivers underneath the dash, completely hidden away, so literally nothing on display. Plus we've also upgraded the antenna. So we've gone for a chrome antenna up here, as you can see, and also we've upgraded the toggle switches to new chrome toggle switches rather than those black ones that were in there previously. So overall, a really nice classic look system. On these cars, we can do plenty more to them as well. So we can add amplifiers, we can add more speakers into them as well in a discrete location. Obviously, with any vehicle like this, you're battling with wind noise, you're also battling with obviously space inside the vehicle, how we can add that in. However, we can do some pretty cool stuff with getting upgraded sound systems into these vehicles. So if you own one of these, drop us a message on any of our social media platforms. But the best thing you guys can do, book an audio consultation, come by and see me. I'll design, spec, and then we'll install your new sound system in your Alfa Spider. Hopefully you've enjoyed today's video. You've seen a little bit more about the finished article of the products that we've installed on behalf of our customer. Thank you very much for watching, guys. If you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button below and also like and share, but also comment below on stuff that you want to see more in our videos. Bear in mind, guys, we are posting a new video every single day on YouTube, so make sure you don't miss any by hitting that subscribe button. Otherwise, we'll see you soon. Thank you very much for watching.